afternoon?
I have no idea. I just keep saying afternoon.
It's 12:10, so technically it is afternoon.
There you go. So the other video was good morning, but that's okay.
Yes.
We got
EARFLEEK.
Oh crap.
It's too faded, you good.
We got EARFLEEK!
Woo!
For the last time.
What?
I gotta tell you a little secret.
Alright, hold on. Can we just look at something real quick? Put your head back. Look at the difference of skin tones on the camera.
Yeah.
Look at how ghosty I am.
Duh.
Ghost.
I'm gonna tell you a little secret. I did a little something something.
What did you do? Oh no. Mom. What did she do? What did you do?
Come here.
No, hold on, hold on. What? You... What? What?
I unsubscribed to all my sub boxes.
Oh my god, what? How could you?
I know!
Oh my god. No.
You want to bring them in just a little bit more? There you go. All but one, because Katie and I do like this Snack Nation. So this is our last EARFLEEK.
Is it though?
It really is.
But is it?
Yes.
But
I'm gonna need you to stop now. So there was this one here, and then this one came out of it. It is $3.49 a month. Oh, those are cute.
Mm.
Huh. And you get a little card. It's good for one free pair, which actually Caitlin tried it, didn't work. I don't know about those damn cards, y'all. They have never worked okay, and then they give you this thing that supposedly the earrings inside retail for this price, which is $15.99. I seriously doubt that.
It could be.
I seriously doubt that. Okay, these are cute though, I ain't gonna lie. They're like little...
Those are cute.
like little balls, and it's kind of like a bluish color. They blue balls. Cute. Okay, I'm not playing. I have done so many videos today, I'm just... Okay.
Ooh, look at this color.
Now, I will say, I'm going to have to get some backings because these always fall out. She keeps messing with my damn mirror.
I haven't touched it in
Girl.
like a long time.
Yeah, what, 5 minutes?
Yeah?
Uh-huh.
No.
Okay. Oh, she can't go and jump on my stuff. Okay. Those are cute. I do like those.
Everything's fine, Taylor.
Those are super cute. So yeah, there's EARFLEEK. Now, the reason I've decided to not do the subscription boxes anymore is I want to play with makeup that I know I want and not have to rely on subscription boxes. Plus, y'all, I was up to 10 freaking boxes
Good job.
a month.
Uh-huh.
That was like $130. That's like $130 in makeup that I could choose for myself.
Do you know what else you can get?
What?
Some hair dye.
Why are you gonna point out that?
Because I love you. Doing it out of love.
No, she ain't.
Look at this. Love hairs.
You know what? Just back off, man.
No, you
Okay.
should dye it pink. That would be cool.
So, there's no link down below for it because I took it all out. I don't have the subscription anymore.
I took it all out.
Whatever. It's been taken out.
Mom.
if you want to try it, they're cute. We loved them for a long time. They're super inexpensive, $3.49 a month.
I mean, I might restart my subscription.
There you go. And if Caitlin wants to do it, she can do videos on this channel for it. So.
Oh no, I'm good.
Whatever, man. Whatever she wants to do. Anyways, there's the skinny. There's the new news. And that's it. This is a very quick, short video because I have a cat digging in my garbage.
Kayla, Spooker, both of you.
Oh, yeah. They're both in there. All right, y'all. Until next time. See y'all later. Bye.